Motorcycle News is brought to you by
The views and opinions of the host and the guest does not reflect the show or the network. For your comments and suggestions, you may just email it to motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com.
Good day, Cicloistas! Andito na naman po tayo sa inyo pong paboritong show, Motorcycle News Talk Show. I am Joel Hoyang. And for this week's news and events, we have Motobuy, our friends' online business store. Kaya guys, tutukan nyo ito mamaya. And of course, our friends from Ducati ay nagkaroon ng DRE o ang Ducati Riding Experience. At sa atin po namang yummy food and tours, nagpunta po tayo sa Maylipa, Batangas, doon po sa Crate Resto Bar. Sa atin naman pong safety tips, ito po ang tinatawag po nating safety braking. Two types of braking na pinakita po ng ating pong kaibigan na si Mel Aquino. Siyempre po, ang ating pong biker review for the week ay ang Honda Click 125i. At ang pinaka-aabangan nyo pong lahat, ang Motobuild Pilipinas 2016. So guys, ano ba hinihintay natin? Just sit back and enjoy our show. Para po sa ating pong news and events, kinausap po natin ang ating pong mga kaibigan sa online store business na para po sa motorcycle related products. Sila po ang Motobuy Philippines na pinangungunahan po ni kaibigang Noah San, ang kanila pong CEO, at of course si Mr. Gary Gakusan, ang kanila pong COO. Panoorin po natin to. Good day, Cicloistas. I'm Joel Hoya. And we are with our friends from Motobuy Philippines, Mr. Noah San, the CEO, of course, and of course, Mr. Gary Gakusan, the COO.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, guys. By the way, guys, welcome to our show, Motorcycle News Talk Show. Actually, this is a show for riders, as we all know, in the entire nation watching us right now. First of all, what is Motobuy?
Well, to start with, I would like to share a little story of my first. Okay, on 2013 is the first time that I visit Philippines. Actually,
how did you find it? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. And actually, there are two things really impressed me. First thing is the beautiful scenery in the Philippines, like Boracay. It's a nice place. Yeah. Second thing is the motorcycles here. Maybe you guys would find that why is motorcycles very common, right?
Yeah.
But actually, the one day I spent in the Philippines, and the amount of the motorcycles that I saw is much more than the motorcycles that I saw in China, in Thailand.
Really?
Yes.
Why is that?
Actually, the Chinese government, in some cities, they forbid the use of the motorcycles.
Is it for safety concerns?
Yes, and environmental problems, something like that. Also. Yeah.
So, guys, Cicloistas, we're very lucky here in our
you're very lucky, riders.
Yeah.
You get to enjoy the motorcycle.
Yeah, that's
yes.
So okay. For this Motobuy, this is an online store, I believe.
Yes,
right?
yes, true.
This would be more of the products for motorcycles. Sir Gary, what are the advantages of Motobuy? Anong difference nyo sa other online sellers and online stores, especially yung mga nagso-social media na nagbebenta?
And one advantage that we have is lahat ng produkto namin sa site are genuine.
Alright.
So because ang mga kausap namin dyan, ng mga partners namin is either top dealers or distributors themselves.
This is guaranteed na authentic.
Yeah, the mechanism that we have in place is pagka may dealer, i-accredit nila kami on our site that they guarantee that we are selling their products. Like for example, Racing Boy.
So the quality is there.
Yeah.
I'm also an online buyer, no? First off, I want the security. Secured ba? If I buy online dito sa inyo sa Motobike?
I've been in the payments industry for 10 years. Kaya yung platform na dinevelop namin is really secure. May protection kami against hacking and all that. So I think it's a really great platform that offers tough security.
How about your after sales? For example, when we buy a product and then there's something wrong with it, it happens you know, you get some lemon products. What do you guys do when it comes to return of products?
Actually, we require all of our merchants that you have to make sure that you will have the warranty for the products you sell on Motobike. And besides, Motobike will also facilitate this issue when it comes to the warranty or after sales service. So yeah, we will do that.
That's good. Alright. Now saying that, do you have a certain product that you would like to promote?
Well, actually, we're gonna introduce a action cam.
Wow, we love action cams, right? Cicloristas, we really do love action cams.
Well, we call it Motobike A1.
A1
cam. Yes.
Can you tell briefly what A1 cam is?
Actually, this cam we use the chip from Novatech, and also we use the Sony sensor. And
that's good. Huh?
Yes, and the water is waterproof. So and all the things, all the materials that we choose actually is from the top, not those cheap.
Alright, guys, how many known brands are there in your site already?
Well, so far we have Fido, Corso,
Racing Boy, Sam Racing, and the list goes on.
Wow, that many! With all those known brands, no, we are really excited na. When will this launch, this site?
Well, actually, we will launch on tomorrow, June 20.
Wow!
Yes.
Guys, that's already tomorrow.
Abangan nyo.
Paano ba nga pala makapunta? Ano bang site? Anong URL? Paano na maka-visit?
Punta lang kayo sa motobuy.com.ph.
Tomorrow na yan. Mag-visit na kayo, guys. Enough of Facebook. Go to this site na. And then you'll find all your needs when it comes to your motorcycle needs and the lifestyle, guys. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Sir Noah,
Thank you.
The pleasure. Sir Gary,
Thank you.
Sobra.
And guys,
Ride with Motobike!
Di ba guys? Napakasarap mag-online shopping. Mas lalo na kapag yung mga parts at mga apparels ng tungkol sa motorcycle lifestyle ang ating bibilin. At sa other news po natin, nagpunta po tayo sa Ducati Riding Experience o ang tinatawag nilang DRE. Panoorin po natin to. Ang lamig ng juice. Cool na cool. Para bang yung mga Ducati bikes. Wow, di ba? How I wish meron akong Ducati bike just like theirs. And now, para po sa ating food and tours, ang aming pong kaibigan na si Miss Christine Reyes ay tinawagan po kami upang ipagmalaki ang kanilang bagong-bagong bukas na resto bar sa may Lipa, Batangas. Panoorin niyo po ito. Good day, Cicloistas. I'm here at Lipa, Batangas together with friends from Crate Resto and Bar. Am I right?
Yes.
Dito po to sa may Metro
Event
Zone. Guys, these are the owners. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Jonah. Hi, I'm Maritel. Hi, I'm Greta.
Hi, I'm Carlo Arnaldo.
Mga Cicloistas, actually, dito po tayo ngayon sa ating food and tours. Guys, what made you guys enter the resto bar business?
Well, it started out, we have this get-together every Thursday. So, we dine, we drink, we have fun. And one day, I came up with an idea. Parang, hey, we were drinking during that time. And then, I told one of our partners also na, what if we put up our own restaurant bar? So, we pitched the idea to the rest of our friends and the rest of the group. And yeah, the rest
They love the idea kasi kumikita ka na, gumigimik ka pa, am I right?
Yes.
What are the specialties naman na included sa menu ng Crate?
Actually, dito sa Crate, meron kaming starters, main course, desserts. Pero dito kasi ang specialty namin, like we have the hambak, the pork belly with kimchi rice. And sa starters naman namin, meron kaming mga spicy tuna salad, the gyoza, tuna sashimi. And now we have this new dishes like this sukiyaki, the soup. And mantaw with pork sliders. And of course, one of our best sellers, our dessert, the homemade ice cream.
I saw you earlier, you were cooking, so you are the cook.
I'm the head chef.
Head chef, alright. Compliments to the chef, alright? Okay. What time is your business operation usually?
From 3 p.m. to 12.
3 p.m. to 12. Actually, this show is for bikers. We bikers, mahilig kaming pumunta kung saan-saan, different places. Ngayon guys, what can Crate offer us riders?
So in terms of ambience, they got a slice how it feels to be in Japan and Korea. So what we did was we actually used the same materials that they use in Japan or Korea, which is the raw materials and the natural and earth palettes like black, gray, off-white, white, and then wood, which is brown.
Parang homey
So then we use the warm light. It's very homey, it's very parang chillax lang yung vibe. So it's very parang appropriate kung yung mga bikers, mga riders, gusto nila mag-relax, gusto mag-unwind after a long ride.
One more thing, kasi kami usually we find places to eat yan sa mga magazines, of course, and of course dito sa show. Pagdating sa social media, we all know na dito hot para malaman yung especially our place. Do you have a social media website, fan page, and a website that we can visit para makita yung place?
Yes, we have a Facebook account. It's under the name Crate.
Crate?
And yeah, you can just search on it sa Facebook and then it will come up.
We also have Instagram account.
Okay.
You can search for it by typing Crate Resto Bar.
Crate Resto Bar. Okay guys? Tell you, kanina pa kami nalalasap. Nakikita namin. Okay, ano bang address nito?
Crate is located inside the food park called Metro Event Zone, which is located along Ayala Highway or JP Laurel Highway in Lipa City.
Yeah.
So it's across South Supermarket, so it's really easy to find.
Alright, guys, dumadaan tayo rito pag mga endurance rides. Very easy to find naman kasi by the highway.
Along the highway naman.
Right, guys, Cicloistas, kung alam nyo lang yung nafe-feel ko ngayon sa harap ko. And of course, the place is very decent talagang cozy. If you want to talk to your friends here, yung mga kakapwa nyo riders for a time, magkwentuhan, this is the perfect place for you. Kaya Cicloistas, sa susunod po muli nating Food and Tours dito po sa Motorsiklo News Talk Show. Resto Bar. Kung mapapansin nyo, bagong-bago, maganda yung tema, pati yung kanilang mga pagkain, napakasarap. Japanese and Korean cuisine. Kitang-kita nyo naman sa ganda ng kanilang chef. The best ang food nyo. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang araw hanggang hindi po tayo natuturuan ng ating pong kaibigan and host si Mr. Mel Aquino. Ito po ang tinatawag na 2 types of braking. Be safe and watch this.
Mga siklistas, ako si Mel Aquino at ito ang Safety 101. Pag-usapan natin ang teknolohiya ng pagdating sa preno. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang preno. Ano ba ang mga nagawang improvement ng ating mga manufacturers pagdating sa safety ng mga rider? Pag-usapan natin ang 2 types of brakes. Okay, mga siklistas, pag-usapan naman natin ang drum brake. Kung mapapansin nyo, bakit siya tinawag na drum brake? Ang kanyang itsura ay parang drum, then meron siyang brake panel, meron din siyang brake level going to the rod, then ino-operate siya ng tinatawag na brake pedal. So papansinin nyo yung loob nito ay meron siyang dalawang brake shoe na kung saan pagka bumukas yung brake lever, pini-expand niya yung dalawang brake shoe papunta dun sa kanyang drum. So, ganun din po ang harapan. Mapapansin nyo, it's a cable type operated by cable and mapapansin nyo rin na drum din ang kanyang itsura. So, ayan mga siklistas ang drum brake. Okay, so mga siklistas, pag-usapan naman natin ang disc brake. Tingnan po natin ang configuration ng disc brake na ito. So, ang kanyang kasama, ito po yung tinatawag na disc rotor. So, it is a disc, kaya tinawag po siyang disc brake. Then, ang nakakabit po sa kanya is yung tinatawag nating disc caliper. Then after the caliper, nakakonekta yan papunta sa may brake hose kung saan ang nagpapatakbo po niyan ay brake fluid. Paakyat po dito sa lever na to na kung tinatawag naman na handbrake naman or yung brake lever. So, kung papansinin natin ang bagong technology naman coming from Honda, they have this combi brake na tinatawag. Na pag pinreno nyo po yung likuran, automatic mag-activate din yung kanyang harapan. So, combination braking ang mangyayari. So, this is the new technology na kung saan ang ating pong mga manufacturers ay iniisip na ng gusto ang ating safety. So, yan po mga siklistas, ang 2 types of braking. So, yan mga siklistas, muli, ako po si Mel Aquino at ito ang Safety 101.
Nakita nyo naman kung paano yung mga kung ano-ano ang 2 types of braking. Meron po tayong disc brakes and of course, drum brakes. As seen doon po sa motor po ni Mr. Mel Aquino na ang C70. Watch out, malapit na po nating i-rebuild ang C70 ni Mr. Mel Aquino. And now, para naman po sa ating pong pinaka-aabang-abangan na bike review. Na-review na po namin ang motor na ito. Excuse me, ang scooter na ito. Ito po ang Honda Click 125i. Ito po ngayong papakita namin ay ang bagong color graphics. Ito po yung white with maroon touch. Maganda po, panoorin na lang natin.
Mga siklistas, nandito tayo ngayon sa bike review. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang bagong labas ng Honda Philippines, ang Honda Click 125i. Ito po yung bagong labas na kulay. Mapapansin nyo, it's all white. We have new graphics. Maganda na rin yung kanyang sticker. Medyo makintab na rin siya, no? So it's like stainless emblem. Then of course, it has the same features katulad ng mga idling stop. We have the halogen headlights. We have the ESP engine. And of course, malaki pa rin ang helmet compartment. And of course, the color matches my helmet. No? So this is the new Honda Click 125i from Honda Philippines. Sa presyo ng Honda Click 125i, masasabi na natin na it is a buck for your money. Kumbaga, ibig sabihin nito, lahat po ng special features, mapa environment friendly, mapa safety, mapa security, handling, performance, power, fuel efficiency, sa tingin ko, ang lahat po ng scooter na nagamit po natin, ang Honda Click 125i ay isa ng pinakamagandang scooter na sa ngayon na nagamit po ng Motorsiklo News staff namin. Tara, check this out! So yung mga siklistas, the new Honda Click 125i, new color design, and of course, same pa rin yung handling, the power, the super sport scooter from Honda Philippines. Balik sa inyo mga siklistas.
Kahit kailan, napakaganda ng mga Honda products. Ginamit ko po yung Honda Click na yan for about 3 weeks now. Napakaswabe po and the best for the traffic. At pwede rin pong pang long drives. And for now guys, stay tuned naman sa ating pinaka-aabangan sa lahat. Ito na po ang ating pong main story for the week. Ito po ang tinatawag na Motobuild Pilipinas. Ang organizer po ang ating pong kaibigan sa Radio Republic na si Mr. Zach Lucero. Let's all watch this guys.
Good day, Sikluistas! I'm Joel Hoya and nandito tayo ngayon sa Motobuild Pilipinas 2016. And we are in the booth of E-Trans. And we're with Mr.
Brian Gasset. Ready.
Sir, okay. My question is, what is E-Trans?
Electricity scooters. Actually, we're in the business of environmental friendly products. So we're trying to introduce these products to the people so that we could lessen pollution and help the environment. So we have our electric scooters.
Is it safe to say na optional to for motorcycle riders who could buy these scooters? Is it also affordable ba?
Yes po, based on the prices between motorcycles and e-scooters, almost half yung price niya compared sa ordinary na motorcycle natin. And it's also less maintenance na rin. We have 3 shops. We have one in Pasig Palenque, we have one in Esa Guadalupe, and in JP Rizal.
We have a festival that's like a group page. The name is E-Trans Electric Scooter.
Alright. Guys, thank you for bringing the electric scooter here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Again guys, this is Joel Hoya. See you again for another feature here in the Motobuild Pilipinas. Ito mga pare ko, ang pinaka malulupit sa kanilang mga artistic rendition na kanilang mga motor. Guys, anong motorcycle ba tong stock na ginawan nyo?
Supremo ginamit namin.
Okay naman ba? Ilang buwan ba binigay para dito?
1 month lang eh.
1 month? Wow guys And I understand, panalo kayong lahat. Am I right? Ano naman masasabi nyo rito guys?
Masasabi ko lang sa lahat, nagawa namin yung gusto namin gawin. Building, pinutol, sinap, aksidente, kanchap.
Alright!
Pinaka-the best doon, na-execute namin na maayos lahat.
And this is a competition amongst friends, tama?
Tama. May kanya-kanya kaming category dito eh. Iba-iba kami, nagkataon, di sinasadya. Pero kung nagbigay sila ng puro chopper kami.
Full caparacer lahat. Kaya walang category na pare-parehas na kaya nahirapan ng mga judges.
So guys, ito po ang ating mga participants and ating contestant pagdating sa build-up. Pagawa na kayo sa mga artistic men na ito. See you soon guys! we're here again at the Motor Build Philippines 2016. I'm with Mr. Zach Lucero, our event organizer. Sir Zach, can you tell us more about Motor Build Pilipinas 2016?
Well, ang kakaiba niya ngayon this year, mas maraming sumali. And definitely, yung level of competition sa Biker Build-Off was just too extreme. To the point na it was deemed that all of them will win. I think if there's one flaw that we gotta work on is to have a theme. Kasi sobrang iba-ibang ginawa nila lahat. So it's so hard to compare. So it's just fair to make everybody win already. So difference, bigger turnout, bigger place, and yun, masaya naman.
Again, thank you, Sir Zach. Salamat sa mga ganitong event. You made the biking community very, very happy.
Actually, I'm not to credit here. Of course, I had support from Radio Republic. But it is the community, kaya ito naging successful dahil sa atin lahat. And of course, you guys for always supporting us todo since from day one. Maraming salamat to you guys. Thank you.
You're very much welcome, Sir Zach. By the way, Cicloistas, always watch out for other more events that the Radio Republic guys would do. See you soon, Cicloistas!
Oh guys, di ba? Ang galing po ng organizer ng event na to. Nakita po natin ang mga artistic blends na ginawa po ng ating pong mga local customizers. Kaya Mr. Zach Lucero and the rest of the team of Radio Republic, all we can say is kudos to you. Till next year po. And now, we came sa end ng show. But don't worry, next week babalik naman po kami. Remember guys, ang Motorsiklo News Talk Show po is nandito po lagi para sa inyo. Dahil po gusto po namin makapaghatid po sa inyo ng of course all the news sa ating po motorcycle industry, because the lifestyle is what we do, the lifestyle is why we live for the ride. And for now guys, all I can say is that if you guys want to request any bike reviews na pwede po namin gawin, or if you simply want to reach us and of course talk to us regarding whatever you want, you can easily contact us at motorcyclonewsmagazine@gmail.com. Of course, yan ang aming email. And of course, sa aming pong website, kung gusto nyo naman mapanood po ang mga past episodes at marami pa pong mga storya sa aming pong mga news and events, just visit us at www.motorcyclonews.com. At syempre po, kung hindi nyo na po na-like ang aming pong Motorsiklo News fan page, syempre po, hanapin nyo lang Motorsiklo News Mag. Okay guys, hanggang sa muli, ako po ulit si Mr. Joel Hoya para po sa inyo pong paboritong show every Sundays. Ito po ang Motorsiklo News Talk Show. See you again guys. Ciao! The fifth leg of the 2016 NAMSA Philippine National Motocross Development Program will be held on June 26 at the Speed World MX Circuit near SM Bikutan. So guys, see you there!
You can visit us at
kung di po tayo bibisita sa fan page. Ito po ang aming po Motorsiklo News fan page. At syempre po, kung hindi nyo na po
Motorsiklo News is brought to you by